I'm Mitch with Compass Tools, and we're going to Bluetooth connect a laser to a Trimble and then configure it for use in TerraSync. The first thing we need to do is turn on Bluetooth within the laser. We'll need to use two buttons, the fire button and the down arrow. On the rugged model, this is the fire button, this is the down arrow. To get into the setup menu of the laser, you will hold the down arrow down for about 4 seconds. After about 4 seconds of holding the down arrow down, you will see units in the laser eyepiece. You can let go of the down arrow and then press the down arrow one more time and you will see BT, that's Bluetooth. You can press the fire button and it will show you either BT on or BT off. We want to turn it on, so use the down arrow until it says BT on, and then once it says BT on, go ahead and press the fire button to turn the Bluetooth on. Once the Bluetooth is turned on in the laser, we can turn the Bluetooth on in the Trimble. That's done under the start flag and settings and then Bluetooth. First thing we want to do is go to the mode tab and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then we can go to devices, and providing the laser has not gone to sleep, we'll find it here. You might shoot the fire button on the laser just to make sure it's still awake. Alright, we have our Trupulse laser here. If you don't see yours right away, you might have to click refresh, but select your laser and say next. The pass key is the number 1 4 times, 4 ones. Say next. The device will be added, and quickly you need to click on advanced in the bottom right because we do want to use a serial port type of Bluetooth connection. Then we'll say save. And last thing we need to do is go to the COM ports and assign a new outgoing COM port for this Trupulse laser. So I clicked on new outgoing, and we don't need a secure connection, and usually the higher number COM ports jam less. So we'll say finish. If you get a message like this, the COM port cannot be created, maybe another device is using that, so we'll pick a different COM port, COM3, finish. So now in TerraSync we can tell it to look on COM3 for the laser. We can say OK out of the Bluetooth, and then we can start TerraSync. Alright, TerraSync will not attempt to connect to the laser until a data file is open, so we might as well create a data file. And then we'll switch from data to setup and then external sensors. If you don't have this external sensor, it may be because you have TerraSync standard and external sensors are not supported in TerraSync standard. We'll click on it, and then we'll go to properties. Earlier in the video we assigned the Trupulse COM3. The baud rate of 4800 is fine. Checking this laser box actually turns on the laser. If you get an error message, it could be because the laser's fallen asleep again. But we appear to be connected. We say done. And then the best way to test and make sure everything's working is to switch back to data, just create any kind of point feature, and then go to options and offset. Distance bearing is fine, and then go ahead and shoot your laser. And yes, offset received, and it should populate these fields. One last thing before you head to the field, if you're using a Trupulse 360B or 360R, there's a compass that needs to be calibrated in there. If you go to compasstoolsinc.com, go to Our Products, Hardware, Laser Technology, and scroll to the bottom of the page. We have the Trupulse calibration routines, which is another video which will show you how to calibrate your Trupulse laser. Thank you for watching this short recording from Compass Tools. If you need more help, please email support@compasstoolsinc.com, or for more information, please visit compasstoolsinc.com.